As it says in the name, these are designed to work exclusively with those Barricade Adventure Tube Doors. They're going to fit really, really well with those doors, and they're not designed to work with any others. So if you have those doors, you're looking for a little bit more of a secure feeling, something to keep things in the Jeep in case something were to fall out of your pocket while you're cruising around with those tube doors on, then this is going to be a nice option for you. Today we're going to talk through the installation of these skins, which is a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench install. One of the big benefits to these is that they zipper on, zipper off. There's no Velcro, there's no straps like some of the other versions on the market, which makes the install very simple and something you can do in under 5 minutes, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. Now these are going to be very, very well built. They are better built than a lot of the other door skins I see on the market for any one of the other brands that are out there. So they're also going to be a little bit more expensive, but in my opinion, it's absolutely worth it. These are things you're only going to have to buy once. They're going to hold up great, they're going to look great, they definitely do the job, and again, I think they're worth the price. So the main part of these doors are going to be this nylon mesh material, and again, it is a very high grade, very high quality mesh material. It is thick enough to hold up to sitting out in the UV rays of the sun. It's going to stand up to anything you can throw at it. Again, very, very high quality materials. The top and the bottom area that actually go around the bar of your door is a padded neoprene material, which is really nice for resting your arm on the top of that tube door. You're going to have a little bit of padding. It's going to make that feel a little bit softer and a little bit more comfortable for you when you're driving down the road. And of course, these are designed to zipper on, not strap, not Velcro, but zipper on, which makes the install easier and makes them fit very, very well. And those zippers are a very high quality zipper, nice, big, thick teeth. You have a very positive engagement when you zipper and unzipper these, and they stay put exactly where you put them. Now, those are all of the components, but it's really the way that they're put together that make these the quality that they are. Everything is double, triple stitched where it needs to be. The materials, the threads, everything that used is of a highest quality, and these are going to fit very well and last for a very long time. So for the install, again, this is a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, about 5 minutes to get one of these zippered onto your Jeep. Very, very simple. It's probably easiest to do with the door attached to the Jeep, that way you're not trying to balance it on the ground somewhere. So go ahead and throw your Barricade Adventure Tube Door on your Jeep, and then start at the top. You're going to wrap the neoprene part around the top tube of the door, start the zipper and zipper it up, then just do the same thing on the bottom. The first time you install these, they may be a little bit tight, but that's a good thing. That means they're going to fit really well, they're going to look good, they're not going to be baggy and flapping around in the wind. So you might have to fight a little bit of that tightness the first time you install these, but again, in my opinion, that's a good thing. You'll have them installed. To uninstall them, just reverse that process, unzipper them, they'll come right off. You can throw them in the garage, throw them in the back of your Jeep, wherever you want to. They're going to be very versatile and very, very easy to install. Now, because you are getting such a high quality product, this is made of premium materials, you are going to have to pay a slightly higher price, and these are going to be around $190 a pair. So you are going to be around $380 for all 4 skins if you're buying this for your 4-door. But again, in my opinion, that is worth it. If you're going to be buying something like this that, believe it or not, is taking a lot of beating, it's going to be out in the wind, it's going to be in the UV rays of the sun, it may get rained on. You want something that's going to be able to hold up against all of the elements, that's going to be very well built. This is something you're only going to have to buy one time. You could go out and buy something that's maybe a universal fit, maybe designed to fit on a different door and just make it work with your Barricade Adventure doors, but it's not going to fit as well and it's not going to hold up as well. So again, in my opinion, even though this is priced a little higher than some of the others, it is worth it. So that's my review of the J-Tops USA Mesh Trail Door Skins fitting your Barricade Adventure Tube Doors for your 2007 and up JK that you can find right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.